What would it be like to fly through the Orion Nebula in a spacecraft? It might look like this. A remarkably accurate supercomputer simulation based on detailed Hubble Space Telescope data and modeled by Vanderbilt University astronomer Robert Odell. Traveling into the gigantic cloud, we see the 4 bright trapezium stars, their 3D positions now clearly evident. Their intense energy has hollowed out the nebula's center. The trapezium stars are so bright that they would blind us to the rest of the nebula if our view screen were not enhanced to show us all the details. The dark globs scattered about called proplyds, or protoplanetary disks, are blankets of dust surrounding newly formed stars, forced into teardrop shapes by energetic stellar winds from the trapezium. One of them clearly shows a ring of debris orbiting its central star, strong evidence that a new system of planets is forming. Our route out of the Orion Nebula shows us the angle at which we see it from Earth. But at 1,300 light-years away, it shrinks to a minor smudge in our field of view. Imagine how it would look at only 4 light-years, the distance to the nearest star.
The Orion Nebula.
Wisps of matter, at times coming together, at others flying apart. Filmy veils, billowing masses, some dark, some glowing in brilliant colors, many taking the shapes of things that are eerily familiar. The universe reveals its awesome display of stellar birth, death, and it is one of the most famous space photographs ever taken. As seen by the Hubble's 6,500 light-years from Earth, called the Eagle Nebula. Nebulas of all kinds are scattered among the stars everywhere and are among the most spectacular sights in ours or any galaxy. Field.
And in a way,
glowing, reflecting, or obscuring the galaxy's light. They are regions where stars are born, where stars die, where explosions rack the very fabric of space-time.
Nebulas have fantastic shape.
Star formation in our galaxy lights up the sky. So this is a big one. In terms of nebulas,
silhouette against the bright heavens behind them. In time, stars will burst into existence.
Was the invention.
But the very origin of the galaxy's clouds, stars, gas, and dust is the most intriguing phenomenon of all. Springing from the mysterious interstellar medium, the riddle of the nebulas is how they can form from what is almost nothing at all. Space and its vast emptiness has much more to it than meets the eye. Filling the distances between the Sun and all its galactic neighbors is the neutral interstellar medium, or ISM.
When we think about the blackness between stars, we sometimes
create a pressure, a shockwave. And it may set off a generation of hundreds of new stars when it collides with the Milky Way.
As the gas in Smith's cloud is compressed by the collision, a brand new star-forming nebula will light up the galaxy, and the life cycle of the universe will continue.
I will point out,
In the long term, however, there aren't enough Smith's clouds to keep the process going, and nebulas will gradually disappear.
Silicon Valley.
6,500 light-years from Earth, called the Eagle Nebula.
They invited a few people from various
Nebulas of all kinds are scattered among the stars everywhere, and are among the most spectacular sights in ours or any galaxy. Field.
And so they invited
glowing,
me, and I
reflecting,
went
or obscuring the galaxy's light. They are regions where stars are born, where stars die, and where explosions rack the very fabric of space-time.
Nebulas have fantastic shape.
What would it be
showing
like
us
to
it,
fly through the Orion
tried
Nebula
things.
in a
When we
spacecraft?
were driving back to LA, I said,
It might look like
well,
this.
that was all about
A remarkably
drawing.
accurate supercomputer simulation based on detailed Hubble Space Telescope data and modeled by Vanderbilt University